I've got a wide selection of things from street style to like elegant or girly. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys all the pieces that I got and basically talk through about my experiences thrifting in London. So as I mentioned, the first stop of my thrifting journey was this charity shop, and I only got one item at the charity shop, which was, did you guys guess it? Which was this really cute muted dark green blazer. And I like how it's just green enough. It doesn't even look green on camera, but in real life it's just a very dark muted green. Really adore the color. I think it's super unique yet classy. I just really liked how the green is so subtle, you can barely tell. Like from afar it just looks like it's a gray color, so I thought that would be more versatile and easy to pair with other items rather than a more vibrant green. So yeah, that's why I got it. I think it fits me so well, and I super like the I absolutely love the pockets, and I just think the overall design for this blazer is like more casual because it's kind of a linen material rather than a proper suit, so that gave it like more like fun and easy to pair kind of look. And yeah, the blazer was just in such good condition as well. Like I got this for £10, which is such a good bargain because I've been searching for oversized blazers all over the internet, and even on the other websites it would at least be like 30 to 40 pounds, and I'm so happy I got this for £10. Such a steal. I think it's also one of my favorite pieces that I got in this thrifting haul. And then I'm gonna move on to the majority of the stuff I got, which was at the Vintage Kilo sale. I have my huge bag of stuff here, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I actually got. So the first item that I got was actually this really cute beigey kind of white blouse with the red detail. You see guys, originally this was one of the shirt dresses I was talking about. It was a dress with like a red dress as red skirt at the bottom, but I honestly hated the way the red skirt looked like. You'll see in my video. So I just tried it on because there was this elastic band, so I just tried it on and see if the top fitted me nicely, because I really love the design of the top, and it ended up fitting me perfectly. Actually looks so flattering, so I was like, I'm definitely getting this piece. So I got it, and I just cropped the bottoms, and it's honestly so cute on me. I just love how elegant and simple it is. I'm absolutely obsessed with the red details, the buttons, the stitching. I just really love it, and I just think this piece is something you wouldn't typically find in, like, I don't know, different brands nowadays. Like, it's just such a unique piece, and it's definitely worthy to have in your collection or wardrobe. I just love to pair it with either my mom jeans, straight leg jeans, or just a flared out pants. Yeah, I think that's just such a cute look with a couple of earrings. It's gonna look so girly and cute and put together. So that's what I got. Similarly, the next piece is this kind of lilac colored blouse. I'm super obsessed with lilac right now, and I just think it's such a cute yet girly way to color block. This was the same situation. It was a shirt dress before, and I just cropped it at the bottom, and I just tucked this into mom jeans or whatever pants you're wearing. absolutely adore this top. It fits me so well, and I feel like this would be something Rachel from Friends would wear. And honestly, the girls from Friends are honestly like my style inspirations. I just super adore the 90s 80s like retro vibe. And yeah, I just love to pair it with some dainty earrings, and I just think it's such a cute yet put together look. Still sticking with the theme of shirt dresses that I found. The next piece is, yep, you guessed it, this vintage flowy piece. Basically, this was another piece that I just really adored the top of. But when I tried it on, I actually really loved the look of it overall. It's super flowy. It's very thin and see-through, which could be a pro and con, but definitely it's not suitable for the temperature of freezing London now. But honestly, I just think it's such a cute piece. If you were on holiday at the beach, it could be the perfect option to for a bikini cover-up or something. I just paired it with my bralette underneath, and for the bottom, if you want to wear it on the daily, just make sure you wear something that's like nude colored so it doesn't show through the dress. And also, this dress actually has very large pockets here, and I think that's probably like 99% the reason why I got this dress, because I just, once I find pockets in a girly outfit, I'm just like, oh my god, it's made for me. So yeah, that's probably like mostly just why I got this dress. Which is such a lame excuse, but I have a problem with shopping. Now that we're like finally over the theme of shirt dresses, the next piece of item that I got is actually this Chihuahua t-shirt, and I just think it's so cute. And obviously originally it was a more longer length. It was like just an oversized t-shirt, but honestly this material, unlike all the other tees and shirts that I got that I found at the Vintage Kyocera, was actually like really sturdy. It didn't have like lint on it, or like it wasn't floppy. As you can tell, it actually holds quite a nice shape. But originally it was longer, and I didn't mind that. I thought it would be really cute just with like some flared pants or like mom jeans. I think just like the oversized tee vibe. But considering the fact that I already owned like many oversized t-shirts, I just decided to still crop it, and I'm so glad I made the decision because it honestly looks so cute on me, and I just wear it so much now. It's just so cute, and I love how it just gives me some street style vibes, and at the same time, I don't know, Paris Hilton, I don't know. It was just such a fun shirt. I absolutely love it. And then moving on to pants, I actually got this pair of gorgeous straight leg pants. Honestly, I did not expect to find any bottoms that could fit me, because I heard from people and seeing myself, I just thought, I didn't even give it much thought. I just thought like, I'm so petite, I don't think like bottoms are just gonna fit me well, because they don't even fit me well in general, even when I get it in like, I don't know, Zara or something. But oh my god guys, I'm so freaking happy I stumbled upon this pair of pants. I actually really love the wash of it. It's straight legged, which is something I don't own in terms of denim, and I just thought this dark wash was like the perfect shade, and I really love the white stitching detail. I think like I'm a sucker for like white stitching over any dark wash pants. Like I own black pants from Salnanda that also has these like really cute white stitches, but honestly this pair, I tried it on and it fit me so well. Shocking, I know, but basically I really like the way it just it's so long. It like goes down to, it covers my ankles to my shoes, and that's kind of like the vibe I wanted. Guys, just look at the pockets. It's actually so freaking darn cute. It has horses and just got this like really cute detail that I don't know how to explain, but I just thought that was super unique, and I don't think I saw anything like this in actual stores now. But yeah, I'm so glad I actually stumbled upon this. I think this is another piece that I really love. This was like in perfect new condition. When I tried it on, I really didn't think it was even, I couldn't even believe it was like thrifted or second hand. I just don't think the original owner barely wore it. And honestly, a brand new pair of dreamy pants for £5, I'm not complaining at all. Moving on to the last but definitely not least was this really awesome sick tie-dye scarf. When I stumbled upon like this huge little pile of like scarves and satin scarves or just scarves, I just knew I had to get one because it's just so light. Honestly, it weighs like nothing in your shopping. So this one caught my eye instantly because before when I saw the scarf, I knew I wanted one to just make it into like a bandeau wrap top, and that's exactly what I did with this one, and paired that with like my baggy jeans. I just think that's such a cute look. Again, very inappropriate for the freezing temperature. I thought it was really cute. It's such a good festival outfit. Even though I ain't going to no festivals, I just love the look of it. It's so nice. So that's pretty much it for my haul video. Actually, now looking back, I think I haven't filmed a haul video in such a long time, but I am now officially a broke college student. I can't really afford to buy too many things, but I still buy them anyway. But yeah, I'm super impressed by my first time or my first experience thrifting in London, and I'm super excited to see what I can find in the future to show you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and also just comment down which piece I thrifted that was your favorite, because I have like such a wide selection here, I think. Don't forget to check my social media, and until next time, love from Stella.